I'm going to call you. You ready, Barry?
Yeah.
Ring, 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 you answer.
Barry Murphy.
Hey, Barry. Matt Easton, partner here at Strict Advisors. You and I are connected on LinkedIn.
Hi, Matt.
Hey, so I wanted to reach out to you personally. We're a commercial real estate consulting company. I'm actually on my way to work with some of our client partners in San Diego, and we've been talking about a lot of things going on with some worries and some concerns around AI, and I've got a few ideas that I'd love to get your opinion on. Does it make sense for me to swing by your offices while I'm out there?
Well, that takes two steps. Well, the answer is yes, and that takes two steps out of that sales funnel. So yes, but however, let's say, well, I don't know, Matt. I mean,
sure.
We haven't really thought about AI. Why would we end up talking for 15 minutes?
Yeah, here's what we can do. And I know you're busy. What I'd love to do, how about I send you over an email with some of the kinds of things that we're doing, and then that way you can have a look and reach out to me if it makes sense for us to get together while I'm out there.
Perfect.
What's the best email for you, Barry?
Barry.
I'm going to shoot you over something right now. I know my assistant's booking my schedule. I'm going to be leaving for that trip here coming up on the 4th. So I'll reach back out to you on the 3rd, see if it makes sense for us to get together while I'm out there. Fair enough?
Perfect. Thank you.
Love it. Here's what we're doing. Okay, Barry, that's a critical mistake. We love it. We're so excited about what we do that we just blah, right? We throw up on people. And I'm not giving you did nothing wrong. Right? But we have to slow the process down to speed up the results in the end. Okay? And if the more we keep talking, the more we lose them, and the more they're like, I just got to get off the phone. Right? Your formula is this. Here's the basic formula for you, Barry, and for everybody else. The basic formula of a cold call: when they answer, who you are, how you're connected, and that you have an idea you want to get their opinion on. Or who you are, how they're connected. This is only if they answer, and that you don't believe your team has worked with them. Can you send them an email with some of the things that you do so they can take a look when they have some time? I use both of those on purpose in our little role play so that you could see how both of those flow together, right? You want to allow them to get off the phone. Now, this only happens 4% of the time. It has nothing to do with you being skillful. It's just people hate to have other people dictate their day. And when you call them and you force into a conversation, they don't like that. But 4% of the time, they'll be like, what you talking about, Willis, with this AI? Because my partner's, his name is Tim Willis. We say what you talking about. He's like, I'm going to put you on speaker. Willis is in here. We were just talking about AI. What's going on with that, Barry? Now you can have a... Right? When you say you're just talking about AI, by the way, back to our tips from a second ago, right? When you say, hey, what's up, Willis? What's up, Barry? Great to meet you. Yeah, hey guys, so when you said you were just talking about AI, can you give me a specific example of what you're talking about? Yeah, we're scared about bop, 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 and the fact that these guys are going to get, they're going to be using digital voice to reach out to distressed property owners, and Marcus and Millichap's going to take over the game and leave us. I'm just making stuff up, right? Leave us out, right? When you say leave you out, what's going on, right? Well, blah, 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 blah. Again, they're talking most. Hey, guys, because of the fact that you said you're worried about Marcus and Millichap using AI, this is exactly why a lot of our clients are coming to us. I'm actually going to be out in San Diego. I'm leaving on the 4th of December. I'm going to be there the 5th through the 7th. I am back to back with current client meetings, but I'm happy to find some time to slide in, talk to you guys, give you guys a few tips that will be helpful for you and maybe make you feel a little bit more comfortable whether you work with us or not. Fair enough? Hell yeah, Barry, you could do lunches on us if you could do lunch. I'm not sure if I can do lunch, but let's find a time to swing by. I'm happy to share this stuff with you. I nerd out on it. I lay in bed at night thinking about this stuff so you guys don't have to. I look forward to meeting you guys. Let's do the 5th at 11 a.m. Yeah, perfect. Thanks, Barry. Awesome, right? Like when we slow the process down, we'll speed up the result in the end there. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. you're gonna see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's gonna give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're gonna see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also gonna have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're gonna see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.